how to set up server rules in Discord. Want to keep your server friendly and fun for everyone? Setting up clear rules is a must. Today, I will show you how to set up server rules easily so your community knows what's cool and what's not. Let's get started. First, open your Discord server and click the plus icon next to your channels list to create a new channel. Choose text channel and name it something like #rules or #server-rules. In the new channel, write out your server rules. Keep them clear and simple like be respectful, no spam or advertising, keep content appropriate, follow Discord's terms of service. Feel free to add any specific rules for your server. Once you have posted your rules, hover over the message, click the three dots and select Pin Message. This keeps your rules easy to find for everyone. To make sure everyone read the rules but you can't edit them, you can lock the channel. Right-click the rules channel, select Edit channel, then Permissions. For everyone, disable Send Message permission. And that's how you set up clear server rules on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.